If you want to insert the memory card into the POCO M8 5G, first of all, we have to just simply open this SIM slot, which is located at the bottom of the phone. We have to grab the SIM ejection tool and put it here. Now hold your phone and gently push it. Then we have to take it off. There we go. Put the phone back in the safety place. That's quite obvious. Now we have to rotate, and as you can see, the SD card should be applied on the reverse, so we have to put it like so with this cutout. There we go. And now as you can see, when we release, it can actually fall out. So when you want to input this into your phone, you will have to rotate and make sure that you are holding your card with your finger like this. Now take a look. We have to put it back. We have to get this part face to the screen, and that's how it looks from the second side. That's how you are inputting that card, just like that. There we go. Now push it. There we go, it's inside, and as you can see, the process is finished.